Hi, my name is Jeffrey Chang, and I will be presenting my database instruction assignment for Info 254. So the database that I chose for this assignment is the APA PsycInfo database because it is a database that I am familiar with while I was pursuing my undergraduate degree. Some of the key benefits about the APA PsycInfo database is that it is unmatched when it comes to locating scholarly research findings in psychology, and it is a very powerful research tool to use when you are looking for scholarly articles in the subject. The APA PsycInfo database is a specialized database that provides international literature that applies to psychology and related principles in that particular area. A notable mention about the APA PsycInfo database is that they are known for the depth of psychological coverage within the database and also respected for the high-quality material that is provided for its users. APA PsycInfo's primary goal is to provide ease for researchers to retrieve material that relates to psychological literature. The database gives users the confidence to retrieve material knowing that they are credible literature sources from around the world. Within the APA PsycInfo database, it stores a wide range of psychology-related subjects that will completely fill this particular slide. So I'll go ahead and provide some of the more common subjects that are sought by student researchers to provide a sense of what the database offers for its users. Subjects include applied psychology, communication systems, developmental psychology, educational psychology, personality, psychological and physical disorders. Some of the subjects mentioned were actual subjects that I had attempted to perform research on through the APA PsycInfo database. The database's target audience are for people who are looking to retrieve material that relates to the field of psychology or related principles. Typically, the database would be of interest to practitioners who are currently working in the field of psychology, or individuals within academia settings such as researchers, students, faculty, and librarians used to retrieve specific information for selected topics. Government agencies may also find this database as a useful resource to retrieve research and/or statistics as evidence to their objective. APA PsycInfo is a paid subscription service that offers aid in locating and summarizing psychological literature for its users. Some of the highlights that make the PsycInfo database a trustworthy tool for users is that they have spent roughly 50 plus years digitalizing and indexing literature that relates to behavioral and social science subjects into the database. The database is indexed by APA experts whose primary goal is to build trust and ease for their users when it comes to retrieving peer-reviewed research. The types of content that is found in APA PsycInfo includes, but not limited to, the following: peer-reviewed journals, books, abstracts, dissertations, historic records, thesaurus, and cited reference, which would become useful when you are looking for research that comes from different coverage to help support your research statement. The array of content that you find within the APA PsycInfo database can be retrieved with confidence, knowing that they are scholarly sources to be included into your work. Within the APA PsycInfo database, there is a wide variety of material types to provide detailed results to help support your research, which includes a total of 8 publication types. Examples from that selection includes peer-reviewed journals and/or abstract. There are also 5 different book types found within the database, to which includes examples of encyclopedia, handbooks, and manuals. The database also includes 17 different document types, which includes examples of dissertations, letters, and chapters from books. The content within the APA PsycInfo database extends as far as 1597 to present, which can demonstrate the changes in practice within the field of psychology. The database also features comprehensive coverage from the 1880s, which highlights significant work from Sigmund Freud, who is a popular psychologist in the field of psychology. The paid subscription of the APA PsycInfo database is typically available for institutional sites. The database are usually found within providers such as EBSCO, Ovid Technologies, and ProQuest to access the service. Thank you, and I hope this helps.